Thanks for your interest in my 24-foot Forest River Berkshire pontoon boat. I'll give you a quick tour of the boat, the trailer, show you everything's working, give you a good comfortable feel for the maintenance status and the condition of the boat. Great to have these two power poles. I'll show you how those work up and down. Motor service, local marina, Ogalley Yacht Basin. Most recent service was a complete 100-hour. Trailer tires good shape, bearing buddies. Just grease those. Solid deck underneath. You got the cheater bars on the trailer to make it much easier by yourself if you don't have a lot of boat hands to put it off and on. Good solid ladder on the trailer as well. All right, all the vinyl's in great condition. It's got these movable cup holders you can set up as you need them. Storage under every one of the seats, including these seat backs. Crazy amount of storage on the boat. Underneath the console. Captain, king and queen seats. Solid console. You can hear the radios work and everything works on there. Tilt trim motor put on a year ago. You can see she works. Steering linkage, changed that about a year ago as well. As well as the shifting linkage on there. I'm going to show you the power poles operational. There's a remote you can wear around your neck, or there's also a button up on the top there, up by the console. I'll show you on the way back. If you've not had power poles before, these things are great. Automatically anchor you. The hydraulics keep it stuck into the bottom. All you've got to do is hit it twice. Both of the power poles will go down and hold you in place. Let's put these interstate deep cell marine batteries. Battery cutoff switch. This risky tow deck with stainless steel fishbowl holders. Just a quick look back to the front. Cool deck non-slip surface, and it's another of the many upgrades you get on a Forest River Berkshire. Here's that button for those power poles. You see those. Yeah, she's a great boat. We've had it for about 6 years. Time to move to my next boat, looking at a deep V little 16-footer. So thanks for your interest. She's got a cover, comes with it. She's ready to go. Great scalloping boat. She's ready to go the weekend. Wouldn't have to do anything. She's already full of gas for you. Thanks for looking.